Hi everybody, and welcome to Once Upon a Scarf, a channel devoted to the great graphic glory of vintage scarves, with some unusual tips on how to style them. Unusual? Yes, because my secret weapon in avoiding lumps, droops, and brutal creases is magnets. Disc magnets like these, easily available online. They click a scarf together quickly and leave the design unbunched. If you're a scarf lover, they're a great, inexpensive tool to have in your drawer. If you don't have magnets, no problem. All of these ties work with knotting as well. Did you know Halloween is coming? Today, I'm featuring 3 of my favorite spooky, ghoulish, gothy squares with 3 different ways to style them. The first is this incredible, over-the-top, vintage silk. Now, this cat isn't black, but frankly, it's still pretty terrifying. I'm convinced it was designed by crazy cat lady / extraordinary mid-century surrealist artist Leonore Fini. I take a deep dive into this story in this video here. I think it's perfect for Halloween, and because it's very heavy French silk, it will take a fold that turns it very nicely into a turtleneck. Hold it on the diagonal like this, so this kitty's face is full frontal. Then, from the top, fold over and over and over again to the middle to make a thick band. With the roll side out, click the 2 sides together behind your neck with 2 magnets. Or just knot if you don't have them. My second scarf is a high design classic from that master of skulls, Alexander McQueen. This was one of his signature motifs, and in this case, his designer's riff with an extraordinary paint-by-numbers design. Because it's so fabulous, I'm going to let it largely speak for itself with this ultra-simple drape. But the twist is, instead of simply clicking the edges together at the border, I'm going to hold the 2 magnets on closer to my armpits. Bunch the fabric, draw them together, and then click. That way you can flip the edges over to make a pretty lapel drape without getting in the way of these fabulous skulls. My third scarf flies under the radar, but I adore these creeping, spiny, dead black roses for a very 50s goth glamour. It doesn't scream, "Look at me," but has a great Black Widow aesthetic that isn't sugary sweet. For this scarf, let's do something fun. Hold on the diagonal, flip just the tip over in front, and spin it frontways like this, each time giving it a good toss in between. Pull the coil tight, then clip the ends together behind your neck to make a chokery ascot affair that sits wonderfully under a jacket. It's a really unusual tie on a great scarf. Have some fun trying it with one of your bigger squares. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any questions, please let me know. The point is, not getting it perfect, but getting those great vintage scarves out of the drawer, especially if you have something spooktastic. Thanks so much for watching.